How to change Facebook page password. In today's video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to change your Facebook page password, whether you're worried about security or simply want to update it. This guide will show you exactly how to do it, so let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has access to the page you want to change the password for. Once you're on your page, head to the Settings tab. On desktop, you'll find it in the left side under your page name, and from there you can see here switch to your main profile. To change these settings, simply tap on switch profiles. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the settings and privacy. Go to see more in account center. From there, tap on password and security and click on change password. You'll be asked to enter your current password and then enter your new password twice to confirm. Make sure it's a strong one combining letters, numbers and symbols for extra security. Once you've done that, click on change password. After changing your password, you may need to double check the page rules or rules section to make sure everything is still in order. And that's it. That's how you successfully change your Facebook page password and ensure your account is secure.